Okay, today I'm gonna be crushing an exploding golf ball. So these are pretty cool. What it is it's a prank golf ball. What you do is you trade your friend's golf ball out on the golf course with this golf ball, and it's filled with powder and a really brittle outside, and so it explodes when you hit it in a puff of powder. Really cool. Okay, let's see what happens when we hit this with a golf club. That would be surprising. So we know what it looks like when it gets hit by a golf club, but don't you want to know what it looks like to get crushed in a hydraulic press? Let's see. Okay, exploding golf ball. What are your predictions? Think it'll puff in powder, or it'll just kind of crush and the powder will just crush into a hard mass? I don't know. Let's see what happens. Exploding golf ball. 3, 2, 1. Look out. Oh! There it goes. Oh! Was it cooler watching it get hit with a golf club or watching it get crushed in the hydraulic press? I don't really know what this powder is. Hopefully it's okay to get on your skin. Don't think it's anthrax. Okay, so let's test out what happens when we hit this with a golf club. Hey, thanks for watching another episode of Hydraulic Press Action. If you like this video, remember to subscribe, and you can comment in the comment section with what you'd like to see me crush next. I always like to hear your suggestions, and I'll see you next time.